Here we've got Nokia One Plus, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at the very beginning, you have to open the phone dialer, then click on the More icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner. Then select the settings and go to blocked numbers. And here you can simply add a number by clicking on Add a Number and simply enter the one that you would like to block over here. Click on Block, and that's it. From now on, this number will not be able to reach you, so you will receive no calls or messages from this particular number. Obviously, if you would like to remove this contact from the list, click on the cross icon and unblock it by tapping on Unblock. And that's it. From now on, this number is no longer blocked, so he will be able to call you or send you a message. And that's basically all. This is how you can block a number and then remove some number from your blacklist in Nokia One Plus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.